What is going on, Bevy people? This is Marcus, and today we are going to discuss why it is so important to interact with your fans on OnlyFans. Now, this will also apply to anyone using AVN Stars or really any other platform, but this is the most important thing you need to understand about the power of OnlyFans. And then we're also going to give you 3 methods of interaction that you can use today. So one of the biggest reasons why you need to be interacting with your fans on OnlyFans is because interaction is the number one reason why anyone is ever going to pay you for your content. Let me repeat that. Interaction is the number one reason why anyone is going to pay you. And the reason is because it doesn't matter how good you look or how kinky your services are or how often you post. None of that really matters if you aren't interacting with your fans. You're basically leaving money on the table when you don't interact with your fans. Why, you might ask? It's very simple. Anyone can get an abundance of adult content online for free at any time. It is everywhere. Not only can guys get adult content for free online, but they can get specific types of content by specific types of models, specific models in general, no matter the niche, all for free, any time of day, any time of night. So if they can get it all for free, why would anyone pay you for your content? That's the big question. And the answer is simple. It's because you will interact with them. People are paying for the interaction more than they're paying for your content. Now, you will have to have good content. That's not a question. But if you're not interacting, you're simply leaving money on the table that you could be earning. The one thing that you can provide that sites like Pornhub or any of the porn tube sites online, or even on Instagram, what they cannot provide is interaction. And that interaction is the main reason why you can make money with OnlyFans. It's literally the only reason why anyone is ever even on OnlyFans. The power of OnlyFans and the way you are going to rise up above the competition is by regularly interacting with your fans. That's the number one thing you need to realize. Now, I want to make it pretty clear that what I mean by interacting doesn't mean you have to take shit from anyone, take crap from any of your fans, or do anything they want you to do. You always are in control. I always tell my models to never forget that you are the one holding the control. You hold the keys, the power to do whatever you want to do and to not do whatever you want to do. That's another big positive thing about working on the OnlyFans platform. If at any time a fan gets out of line or is bothering you or is annoying, you just got to put your foot down. You either just ban them, kick them out, whatever, get rid of them. They're not worth your time. So don't mistake what I'm saying about interacting with your fans to being at the whim of whatever your fans want. You need to take control and make them work for you. So now let's talk about a few methods of things you can do to interact with your fans. One of them that we talk about is personal messages. Now, personal messages can be paid personal messages or they can be free paid personal messages. They're basically a direct way to interact with your fans. And I recommend that you do both. You do some paid and you do some free. It's really easy to do. We can make a tutorial if you need help on learning how to send personal messages to the people who are following you. A second method is by posting pics with descriptions that provoke your fans or followers to interact and comment on your content. Now, this is going to have multiple positive effects. One, it's going to feel like they're interacting with you directly. 2, it's going to create conversations, and posts that get a lot of interactions on them always do better. People want to see that your account is alive, that you're interacting with your fans, that people are responding, people are interested in what you're doing. So what are some examples of how we can do this? You can post a pic of you in a few different positions and ask guys to comment below which position they like to see you in best. That's a simple one. People will comment on that. Another example is you can post a pic of you wearing 2 different color tops or different color pants or different style of clothes and ask which one your fans like to see you in or which ones your fans think, which color looks best on you. We did this with one of my earlier models and it was great. Like people had so much to say. You look good in green. You look good in this. It's just like, it's so simple. But it's a way that people will feel like you're a real person and they're interacting with you. That's something they can't do when they're watching porn on like Pornhub or whatever. A third example is you can post a pic of your toys and ask them which ones they want to see you play with. These are the simplest things. Just be creative about it. The options are endless. You should be making a post like this at least once a week. If for any reason you aren't getting responses on posts like this, then you could try offering a gift to the person, the fan, the guy, whatever, who gives you the best compliment or who likes the most amount of posts. The gift could be something like a specific pic for them or a voice recording you send with their name in it, anything like that, where the guy will feel like you are directly interacting with them is very powerful. Another option is to do something like the highest tipper of the month contest or any type of contest. Contests are great. Contests are even used by webcam models. This is a good way to not only generate extra tips by doing a highest tip award, but also interact with your fans at the same time. You will have to reward the winner with something special, so think about what your fans are into. And an example can be like the highest tipper will get your personal Kik or your personal Snapchat account, and they can message you directly for a week or for a day or whatever it is. And that's a wonderful way to generate a lot of money quickly and also get interactions on your page. The takeaway lesson here is that if you really want to make money on OnlyFans, you need to be interacting with those fans. It's a fact that, sure, if you look really good, the better you look, the better your content looks, the better quality that it all is, you'll probably have to interact a little less. But when you get started, the number one thing is interact with your fans. And you always want to be able to improve your earnings with these interactions. So make sure that when you choose the interactions, they have either a monetary value that can be added to it, or there's some type of reward that the fans will get by interacting with you. This will help you maintain a loyal fan base, and it'll also create a fun environment for your fans to keep coming back day after day. You must create content that interacts with your fans. That's what I'm trying to say here. Anyway, if you like our content and want to start an OnlyFans or AVN Stars account, you should sign up with our links. They're in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything. We do give some benefits like a 1-hour phone consultation to ask any questions you have. We give you 24-hour support. All that stuff is there. But really the number one thing is that it helps us continue to make this content because we earn a little bit of money from OnlyFans, not from you. It doesn't cost you. You don't lose any money by signing up with us. And we get a bit of a percentage of what you earn. So it's in our best interest to help you get started, answer your questions, and help you earn money so we can make a little bit off of that. If you think you have what it takes to be one of our top VIP models, you should apply to our talent search after signing up with those links. We have 2 talent search type programs running right now. One is our Making a Star project, which we were going to select one model out of all the people who apply. We're going to take our time and select the right model. We're going to work with them one-on-one, document the whole process. It's going to be about 3 months of time. And we're going to take someone from being completely new to OnlyFans and turn them into a star. And we're going to document it so everyone can see how we made that happen. We also have a talent search where we're looking for specific types of models to fill a niche and round out our model roster. So go to the links below, click them through, and we'll see if we can make some money together. This is Marcus from TheBevyVIP. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll talk to you soon. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can either ask them below in the comment section and I will answer them or make a video for you to answer them, or go to our forums where you can ask those questions there, and it's also where all our videos are. All right, everybody, stay beautiful. Good luck. Be safe. Stay healthy.